Hey guys, I want to get on here this morning and give you a little daily dose, and before that, I wanted to tell you a couple things. I get the Box of Style by Rachel Zoe. I don't know if y'all get that or not. This is not a sponsored video by any means, but I got these things in it and I love it. I got this crossbody pocketbook and I really like it. It's J.J. Winters. If you're familiar with J.J. Winters, I don't know if you are or not, but it's leather and it fits a lot of things. I got a carrying case. I believe that's by Miriam. Let me see here. Rachel Miriam leather case. And I like these. This is great because I put my cards, my business cards in there. In that, I got some Marc Jacobs lipstick. I really like that too. I love the color. I got it on. I have a wine color on, and then I put this on top of it. It has a little minty taste to it, but it's good. I like it. Did I? What else did I? What else did I have it all here? Oh, the necklace. I got this necklace as well, and it's let's see who hits by. It is bear with me just a minute. What is the lipstick? Well, the lipstick's Marc Jacobs, and that one was I just showed you that. Sorry, it's taking me a minute. Taking me a minute to find it. Okay, this is Danny Joe Elisa necklace. And I'm going to be wearing this and enjoying it. You'll probably see it on me a lot. Because I have a lot of jewelry that I got from my mom. I wanted y'all to keep us in your prayers, my twin and I, my dad. In the next few days, it'll be 2 years since my mother passed away, and we miss her so much, still miss her. I don't think you ever cannot miss a family member, especially a mother or a father. I'm very blessed to still have our dad. We're very blessed, but keep us in your prayers because we're really, when it comes around the anniversary date of her passing, it really just gets to you. You just, I don't know, you think about her more. I think about her every day, of course, but just keep us in your prayers. If you still have your mom or your dad out there, please give them a call. Tell them you love them. Tell them you appreciate them. Tell them thank them. Thank them, thank them, thank them. If you get so busy sometimes, and I'm just talking to anybody that has a family member that you're real close to. It could be an aunt, an uncle. It could be a grandmother, a grandparent. It could be even, your mom or dad. But if you think of it, oh, I need to call them, and you don't take the time to call them, take the time to call them. And if they call you, you take the time to listen to them. It's so important. So very important. As I look at this necklace, as I look at things that I wear, that I think about my mom would love this, and I wish I could share it with her, or I wish I could, So don't take it for granted that your parents are there, because there'll be a day you want to, now I don't want to be morbid or anything, but there'll be a day you want to hear their voice and you want to give them a hug and you want them to give you a hug. But there's days that happen like that. Just you think about the good things, and think about the good things about your family, not the bad things. If you've got it out with somebody or something that bothered you years ago, don't think of it. Just think it of just a passing that happened, and just think about only the good in parents. Just a suggestion. I hope you guys have a great day, a happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. I love you. Until tomorrow.